Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete items from Google Collections. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Google app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Saved and Collections. This will open all the items and collections you've previously saved. Now, choose the specific collection that contains the item you want to delete. Tap on it to open it. Inside the collection, find the item you want to remove. Next, tap on the three dots next to that specific item. A small menu will appear. From there, tap on Remove. As soon as you tap Remove, the item will be deleted immediately from that collection. In some cases, you might need to exit the collection and open it again to see the change, but the item will be removed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can delete items from Google Collections. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.